In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shopping cart icon in Figma. First, sign into your Figma account and open the file or project where you want the icon to live. Starting inside the right file helps you see the icon in context with your existing design, so you can match size, color, and style as you go. Once you're in the editor, open Resources by pressing Shift+I on your keyboard. This panel is where you can search for ready-made components and icons from your enabled libraries. In the search bar at the top, type shopping cart or simply cart. Give it a second to fetch results, then browse until you find an icon that fits your style, whether that's outlined, filled, or something more rounded. Click the icon you want, then click Insert at the bottom right of the Resources window. The icon will appear on your canvas. From here, position and size it. Click and drag to move it where you want, and use the corner handles to resize. Holding Shift while you drag keeps the proportions consistent so your icon doesn't get distorted. Figma's smart guides will help it snap into alignment with nearby elements, which keeps your layout clean. With the icon selected, look to the Properties panel on the right. This is where you'll see controls for size, rotation, and importantly, selection colors. If the icon is a vector component, selection colors will list the strokes and fills used in the icon. To change the outline color, find the selection colors section and click the color swatch. A color panel will pop up. If it opens on a libraries tab, switch to the custom tab to use the full color picker. Choose a new hue, paste a hex code if you have a brand color, or adjust the opacity for a softer look. If the icon contains multiple strokes or fills, you'll see each listed in selection colors, and you can adjust them one by one for fine control. If you don't see selection colors, the icon might be an image or a more complex component. In that case, try a different search result that's vector-based so color changes apply easily. Also, if your icon looks too thick or thin after resizing, check the stroke weight in the right panel and tweak it to match your design. And that's it. You've inserted, placed, and customized a shopping cart icon in Figma. Your changes save automatically, so you can keep designing with confidence.